Good afternoon. My name is Salisu Hassan, 45 years old and a Nigerian. I happened to discover this International Oncology Center on the line when I was looking for hospitals for me to come for treatment. After trying my possible best in my countries, it was advised that I look for a hospital, a reputable hospital, and I established link, and happily now I'm here receiving my treatment at the International Oncology Center, a center blessed with reputable doctors in all fields of cancer treatment. The problem started way back 5 years when I had a fracture, which was later on diagnosed to be chondrosarcoma, a cancer. And then the option that was offered to me was only amputation, which I refused, because my thinking then was that medicine as a living thing should certainly have a sort of a solution apart from amputation. And also I was also opportune to have my chief executive in the place where I work thinking in the same line, and putting our heads together we were able to get access to come in here. And while here I have received the best of treatment. The cancer which I had in my right humerus bone, which is chondrosarcoma, that then in my country they said the only solution was to amputate, has now been successfully operated upon, and the hand is functioning as if there was even no any problem. International Oncology Center at Fortis is blessed with doctors of great reputation. Name the field, they have the doctors. From the surgical oncologist to the medical oncologist to the radiation oncologist, they have experts, doctors of reputation globally. International Oncology Center that I have not seen elsewhere, and expert staffs that are manning those machines are second to none. And I would recommend somebody to come and see and have a feel of the machinery and the skill that are exhibited at Fortis Oncology Center, which I will recommend to whoever wishes to avail himself. And the cost is something that is affordable, and the caring is something that you cannot quantify. And I cannot finish this short speech without acknowledging the kind attention I received from the team of well-renowned doctors like Dr. Jalal, Dr. Manish, Dr. Gagan, all of oncology, Fortis International Oncology Center. And I'm recommending International Oncology Center to any person having a similar problem like my own. And I also want to use this medium to also say that cancer is treatable. And cancer is treatable once it is detected very early. Cancer should not be left until at a later stage. Cancer should be treated when the problem is at the initial stage. And it will be a situation whereby you are nipping a problem in the bud. I saw a write-up by somebody somewhere, and it goes like this, and I quote: "Once you choose hope, everything is possible. Just fight." The person's name is Nelima. So I am also in total agreement about this. The moment somebody has hope and somebody has choose hope, cancer is never something that somebody can say is a killer. Once you detect it early, there are treatment and you will recover. And I hope the message I pass will be of help to whoever is listening to it. Thank you very much.